don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Hi my lovelies, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great and amazing. You've had a very beautiful weekend, day, activities and everything. Yeah. Okay, so I want to rush and go and see a friend briefly, not so long, because she just put to bed and I want to go and see her baby. I'll stop by the supermarket and buy some baby items for her, maybe like pampers and wipes, and go see her. And after then I might like that is if there's still time. I want to stop at a trade fair happening in Enugu. Yeah, so that's practically it. So please guys, do well to subscribe to my channel. I love you.
One of the many bricks that man constantly trips over is the fear of tomorrow. Man worries about tomorrow because he does not know it. Tomorrow is outside of his control. But man hopes for a tomorrow. So we now have the question of how then can a man prepare for a tomorrow that he has not and cannot see? Is it by carrying anxiety over it? Is it by going from prophet to seer to superintendent apostle to find out whether you should relocate to Canada, or whether you should marry Tunde, or whether you have glory in your future? Some of us and our parents know what I'm talking about, whether you are a star in your future. Is it by tarrying until you receive visions and angelic visitations and the audible voice of God to convince you that the decision you're about to make is the right one, otherwise you are not making any move? Is that really how we reach rest? Is that really how we handle the future? Is that really how we have assurance about our tomorrow? No. A man prepares for tomorrow by living like a Christian today. And I know it sounds very simplistic and unsophisticated, and I'm convinced that it's because of this simplicity that we, myself inclusive, miss out on the rest and peace of mind that we can have in this world, even though there are many hard and unfortunate days. Hear me out.
Hi my loves. Hi lovelies. How are you doing? It's really very early. The time is 7:43 and I want to head to the market to get some things I'm going to use to shoot content, and I'm actually video the content I'm going to be making for my Instagram page. I want to shoot at least if it's 3 videos, because I haven't been really consistent like that, and I feel like when you're not even being that consistent and you haven't grown is because you're feeling some type of way because of the views and not much engagement, or maybe where you're meant to be in your content creation you're not yet there, and that's how I've been feeling, you get. But I want to just keep pushing, and I know that God is in control and everything I want to achieve is going to come true. Okay?
Good morning, sir. Guys.
How much be this one? popcorn chicken, but this is the look and it's so gorgeous. Here if you see, there are two different types. Like is this one is darker and this is lighter, and this is because the cornflakes I use are different. This is Nasco I used. It's really fine. It's crunchy, but not as crunchy as Freetown cornflakes that I used. It's not as crunchy as Freetown cornflakes. Let me eat it so you can hear the sound. Do you hear that? Damn, this is good. You should try this out. I know I didn't show you guys how to make it, but maybe some other time I will. But if you're in a hurry to check it out, you can check it on my Instagram page. I posted it there, so I'm not going to post it here so that you will carry yourself and enter my Instagram page and go and check it out. You get me? But this is good. This is really good. Let me say some for my kids. I beg. I don't want to increase though. Alright now. Bye. When you watch your language. Come on, will you keep quiet? I go to the parlor now.